Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, the 1st of July 2025. And of course, this is a new episode of Markets in Minutes brought to you by Prime. Markets are starting the day on a cautious note as fresh trade tensions are slightly back to shape the investor sentiment. US President Donald Trump has criticized the ongoing US-Japan trade talks. He called them unfair to American workers and threatened to impose new tariffs if progress isn't made soon. Basically, these comments have definitely added some uncertainty to global trading and investment sentiment. And this is basically currently weighing on risk assets in today's trading. Meanwhile, gold prices are basically building on yesterday's recovery from the levels of $30 to $50 per ounce, which is basically the 1 month low on gold's chart. Gold is gaining positive traction for the second day in a row, especially as the US dollar continues to weaken. When we look at the dollar chart, we can see that the selling has remained steady, and this is basically due to the growing expectations that the Federal Reserve might resume its rate cutting cycle in the near future. This shift in the monetary policy outlook is basically supporting demand for gold as traders are looking for safer assets. Looking at today's economic agenda, there are several important events to watch. First of which is the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will be speaking later today, and markets will definitely be listening closely for any signs on the FOMC stance toward inflation and definitely the future interest rate moves, or at least the expected decisions. We'll also get the ISM Manufacturing PMI for June, which is expected at 48.8% or 48.8 points, which could point to continued softness in this sector. Lastly, the job openings report for May is due today, with forecasts pointing to 7.32 million positions, which is slightly below the previous reading. That's all for today's update. Thanks for tuning into Markets in Minutes with Prime. Have a great trading day.